Hi guys, Coconut and I are here today. First off, I want to thank everybody for watching and liking my first video. Oh, he wants to sing. Oh, take it away. He's already real excited about this. So, Coconut and I decided that we were gonna go on a Starbucks date today. So that's why we're in the car. We're headed to Starbucks to go get... Did you want to sing? Coconut likes to do this thing where when I'm talking, he has to talk over me. Anyway, so we are gonna go to Starbucks. Coconut loves pastries, so I'm gonna get him a little snack and we're gonna sit outside and drink some coffee and have a little something to eat. Coconut, you can see, is just kind of chilling on my arm while I drive, which probably isn't the safest thing ever, but I'm just going down the street. I would take him to work every day after I adopted him, and I lived like 2 minutes away from my job. He hates being in a carrier, so I kind of just wanted to see what he would do if he just kind of sat with me while I was driving. So he likes that much better, although it's not as safe. Coconut, that's all right. I drive really careful, obviously, when he's with me. You like the song? Tell him when I die, put my money in a This man is next to me in the car, and he's literally...
Hey, did you hear about the dude that was driving with the bird that got pulled over?
No, I didn't.
Ticket on his shoulder. Look it up.
This guy just told me that he saw somebody recently driving with a bird on his shoulder and he got pulled over. So, that's good information, I guess. So I did in fact look up what happened with the guy that got pulled over with a bird on his shoulder, and it was in Wisconsin, and he had a chicken riding in his car with him, and it was on his shoulder, and the man was on drugs and had alcohol in his car. So, all right, so we have arrived at Starbucks. So I'm gonna go get Coconut. The sun's in your eyes. So I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go inside and get Coconut a pastry of some kind, probably a scone, because he loves scones. I'm going to get a drink and him some water. So be right back. We're at Starbucks. I got Coconut a little mini scone, and I got myself a breakfast sandwich, and he really wants this sandwich. Oh my god. Coconut. Look. So Coconut's favorite foods are basically carbs. He loves bread, waffles, potatoes, french fries, pastries, literally all of that stuff. Coconut. This is Coconut. Oh, thank you. So, yeah, very talkative. Oh. So the scone was clearly a hit. Same with my breakfast sandwich. He loved it. I thought I'd tell you guys kind of how I even acquired Coconut. I was working at the exotic clinic, and Coconut and his housemate, another parrot, they were being boarded. The owners kept kind of like extending the stay for some reason, and then they eventually just asked us if we could take them in and find new homes for them. Coconut, we were all actually really unsure of for quite a while he was staying with us. He was extremely nervous and acted like he was going to bite us. One day, I don't know why I did, but I tried to handle him and see what would happen, and he took to me so quickly, and this huge personality came out of him. We hung out like every day while he was there. One of our clients owns a bird rescue, and so we contacted him, and he ended up taking Coconut to find him a new home. And I, of course, was extremely upset, and I wanted Coconut so bad. So I ended up contacting the guy and asking if I could come up and see Coconut. A week or so later, I went and picked Coconut up. Do you want some egg? Some egg? Coconut doesn't really say much in public. I think he's just kind of nervous and shy, so he doesn't really say a whole lot when I take him places, unless there's happens to be someone that he likes for some reason, and he also loves kids, so he'll talk to kids. Oh. Yeah. You want to go home? I love you. So I have never in my life walked with my phone out in front of me, like videoing myself. Yeah, I guess I'm that person now, guys. I don't know how I feel about it. Right, so Coconut and I just got home, so we're gonna get inside here. Hi, guys. Okay, Mila. I know, the excitement. So over here is Coconut's cage. Get back on here. So it's quite large, as you can see. He gets free range of the house all day. He can go and hang out at different spots and terrorize my roommates or my dogs. And at night, he just gets tired and he knows to go get in his cage, and once the lights are off, you never hear him again. So Coconut's cage, basically it just has a food bowl, a water bowl, some toys, and I use newspaper to catch all the nastiness. It's the easiest way to do it. Those toys in there, yeah, those are like rarely ever chewed on, played with, whatever. He literally does not care about them. This little gate has nothing to do with Coconut at all. It literally has everything to do with my dogs. Not really my dogs, actually, just that one. Basically what she does is she goes in there, like inside the cage, and eats all the stuff Coconut has dropped. And then she throws it all up. So I thought a good way to end this week's video about Coconut is to put together a little compilation of funny videos I have gathered since I've gotten him. So enjoy the next segment of Coconut's funniest home videos. Whoa, that's a big piece. That's too much. Coconut, come here. Oh my God. Okay, so side note. Oh my God. What I was gonna say is that video of Coconut impersonating a dog, I have literally never seen him do that again. That was like the first or second day I brought him home, and he did this full out impersonation of a small dog, and I have not heard him do anything similar since that, so I just had to add that in there.
It is called Crush Pond. This is what Jess and I used to call it. We used to come down here when she liked somebody, we throw a rock in the pond, and we wish that they liked her.
What?
What?
I don't know what that means. I am realizing these bags underneath my eyes right now. And this is literally just from staying out till midnight and having one drink. And I still woke up like this and with a headache, so. But I don't know if you guys have noticed, I painted my nails. So at least I've got that part of me together this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I will be back next week with something new for you. So like and subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. Thanks so much, and I hope you guys have a good week.